If you're a beginner when it comes to your communication skills, the idea of asking people for feedback is probably a little scary. I don't want to hear people trashing me. Don't think of it as a trashing. Think of that as them being your editor, them being your coach, them really helping you. You need to ask for feedback. That's the only way you improve. Many of the best speakers in the world started off with a baseline of skill lower than yours. Some of them were just awful, but they got used to asking for feedback and making slight improvements. Now, in just a moment, Udemy is going to ask you for feedback on this course. If they haven't already, they're going to ask you to rate it. If you think the course is great and fantastic, by all means, go ahead and rate it right now. But if you see specific things you would like to improve, that you think it's lacking, then send me a direct message. And then ideally, by the time you finish the course, I'll have already made the improvements. Because as much as I think I'm great, and I have given successful speeches all over the world, and I've done communication skills workshops all over the world, and I have more than 100 communication skills courses here on Udemy, I'm still trying to get better. I'm still trying to improve, and that's why I need feedback from you. So please send some feedback to me if you think the course isn't great, and you can hold off your rating till the end. You can always change the rating. So a lot of people do ask for feedback, and you see it at conferences, rate our speakers from 1 to 10 or 1 to 5 or 4 stars or gold stars. And certainly some of that can be useful, but I want to give you an advanced tip, even though you're beginners, because this will shorten your learning curve, help you save time, and get a lot better very quickly. The secret to getting feedback isn't asking people to rate you on a 1 to 5 scale or 1 to 10 scale. It's asking them, what do they remember from your presentation? That's infinitely more important. So I'm going to practice what I preach. I'm going to do that to you right now. I'm going to ask you, what do you take away from this presentation so far? What messages that are helpful to you that you might actually want to try is sticking so far? So please post that in the discussion section right now. Give me your feedback so far, even though it's early in the course. Go ahead and rate the course if you think everything is great, and then any other feedback, you can message me right here on Udemy. And please realize I read every single comment, all feedback I look at and take very seriously.